Good afternoon, traders. Sasha here with another video. Interesting things are happening on the charts, so let's get started. We are looking at the AirCanada stock today. Quick disclaimer that this is just how I see the markets. This is not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any securities. So we are looking at the AirCanada here. Let's see how the things are developing at the moment. After this, remember this box, guys. I'm just gonna mention it here. You can see it here and here right now. Here, there we go. We had a huge support at this level, 24.15, and also resistance when we were climbing up. We made one high right there with a touch, and then we had the rejection here with this pin bar. We had another rejection here. This candle here was not able to break out. There was no breakout here as well, and then there was no breakout here. So we have 1, 2, 3 points to lean on, as well as a 0.618 bounce on a Fibonacci scale, which is from 0 to 100. And this is because we connected this peak with this bottom here. When we stretch the tool, we get these levels. We have a 38 level, we have a 50% level, and we have a 61.8 level. Those are one of the most important levels that we always look for to find the bounce. And finally, after we broke out of this box, we continued on to this 31 level, and the market took a dive from there. Basically, traders started traders started taking profits, and then we had sideways move. We went sideways here. We had a couple of touches right here at the 25.57 area. It has proven that it was not a good area to take a trade from. So basically, there was no signal for us to to jump in. If you look at here, there's no signal here. The market is just kind of going sideways still. If we extend this line right here, you can see we had a couple of attempts of breakouts right there, but right away. Bears took the market right away down, so meaning that nobody's willing to pay the higher price at the moment for AirCanada stock. Interesting thing that I'm mentioning too that's going to happen is basically this. We have this area that's very well known to us, this $24 area here. As you can see, this candle today closed very, very close. We can see the still bears are very much in control. Look at the size of the candles. They're just coming down, which means basically nothing. People are taking profit. Basically, they're putting markets lower, so they can make a bigger profit once they buy into the market. And this is actually exactly what's happening right now. We are approaching this $24 area, and what I'm expecting the market to do, if this proves to be a good area to buy in, which was a couple times here, there was a problem for us to break out, and then we had a retest twice, 2 days in a row. We had a retest of this area. So this resistance turned to support, and market took off. So I'm expecting for the market to do the same thing. It might not stop exactly on this line here. We might have a little drop here, kind of a fake out into this box, and then market breaks out again, comes back here, retest, give us a nice signal to break in here and move on to 28 area. Why 28 area? Now it's proving more and more that this area is becoming very strong for us as a resistance here. We can see the market stole quite a few times at that area here. In the past, we have like 4 points to lean on, basically, and in the past that market actually stalled at that area. So that would be my target if we receive the signal at this $24 area. Okay, I'm talking about area because market never stops exactly on this line. Sometimes it does, but in most of the cases, it tries to break through, and then by the reading of the candles later on, so 1, 2, maybe 3 candles later, we get a beautiful signal to jump into market. So patience, guys. Patience is the virtue. We are waiting for something to develop now at this $24. We obviously saw that $25 area was not proven to us that it was a good area for us to buy in. There was nothing happening there. Basically, we had this just sideways movement, which was resulted quite 2 times with these kind of fake outs, and then the market just broke down. This is even better for us because we are going to get a better opportunity to buy in at a lower price, which is $24 instead of buying at 28 or 26 or 25. It doesn't matter. The deeper the market dips, basically the better it's going to be for us to basically jump into trade and make more money there. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention one thing. There was a request. Somebody PM'd me asking about the charts that I use, and I use only TradingView charts. They're free, guys. All the tools that you need, because I don't use any tools. It's just the support and resistance, and maybe Fibonacci, just because of a presentation area. These charts are awesome for me. They are lagging a little bit behind the price, which is totally fine. It's 15 minutes, I think, behind whatever it's happening on the market. I am not jumping in and out on a daily basis. I trade on a weekly basis. So what I'm looking for is the signal, sort of daily chart or a 4-hour chart to jump into the trade from the very interesting areas like this $24. And then I ride the wave all the way to my target. Okay, if it's not arriving to the target the way I expected it to do, I always read the charts or read the candles, what they're telling me, and if I see the pressure from the bears is bigger or larger than the bulls, then I would think about my position and maybe take some profits out from there. So basically, yes, they are lagging. These charts are lagging a little bit, but I don't really care because I'm looking on a daily basis. For me, it's very important to see the close of a day. And as far as I can see from AirCanada here, the bears are still in quite a lot of control. Let me just clear this for 1 second and show you what happened here. So as we were coming down, we have this leg, what it's called number 1, number 2 leg, and then number 3 leg is when it's an extension happened. So this was the lowest low that was created after this 1, 2, 3 pattern. 1, 2, and then now this is a 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. All right, once this bottom was broken with this candle here, we have extension, or this is where the market is basically in a sell zone. This is how you read the market. We also have here, we have 1, 2, and then 3. Once this stop was broken here, we had an extension from here. Market was in the bullish move officially. Okay, so this is basically a theory of how the market turns from sell to buy. We have this 1, 2, 3 pattern. This is what I always look for, and then we had this again happening here. That was 1, 2, and then 3. When this bottom was broken at this point of time, the market was on a sell zone. This is all sell zone here, and then we went this sideways move here. So this is how the market basically, people ask me, how do you know the market is turning into a different direction? Well, this is how I see it, because I always read charts. I read clean charts like this. I don't put any indicators on, that clog my chart, and then I have no clue what's going on. So basically what I'm seeing at the moment, I'm interested in this area here. Okay, so this is the top of this box as well. This line here, as you can see, corresponds with this 0618 area on Fibonacci. There are well-respected areas, 38, 50, and 61%. So what I'm expecting for the market to do is to give us a signal with the bounce from here, and then my target would be at $28. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for smashing that like button. More people find my channel that way, and more people can learn with us together. So as soon as there's something to be reported, I will make another video there. If you have any requests, please put it in, and I'll read the chart for you. I don't know what you guys are interested in. I'm looking at certain charts for myself, and I just don't want to bother you with that. So whatever you're interested, but I'm always interested in AirCanada, and it's my favorite company, and I really believe in it. So this is why I always do the video about Air Canada. You have a great day. Until the next video, this is Sasha. Peace out.